Hi, my name's Sean and I'm from Nordsjö Professional, and today we're talking about the Nordsjö Professional range of fillers. These are a really fun and exciting range of fillers that are backed by popular demand. There's a product for every one of your filling needs, whether it's a concrete masonry, fine work, or something that you want to just rapid repair, sand and paint in 15 minutes. Nordsjö Professional Flexible Wood Filler is a pine colour, so it's easy to find where you've filled holes when you have to sand. Interior-exterior product means you only need one product in your toolbox or in your cupboard. Suitable for all timber architraves, door jambs and skirting boards. You can sand and paint in 3 hours, fills holes up to 2 centimetres, 1 centimetre at a time, will not shrink, crack or crumble, and is suitable for all timbers, hardwood or softwood. When using Nordsjö Professional Flexible Wood Filler, the tools you require is a filling blade, bucket of water and a brush. You must ensure that the substrate is clean, dry, dust and grease free. Before using, knead the tube to ensure the product is completely mixed through. Remove the cap, apply the filler into the hole or the substrate that you're filling. Smooth off with a wet filling blade. If required, light sand. Nordsjö Professional range of fillers is available from all leading paint and hardware stores, and if you need to find your nearest stockist, just reach out.